Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We got a 2004 Toyota Sienna. It's in for multi-point, oil change, and they got a belt noise. Well, we did road test the vehicle, and I can tell you this much. There's 100% a belt noise. And this engine cover is starting to show signs of its age. Spectra, I don't know, are they a James Bond fan? Spectra? Alright. We got a Duralast AMG battery in a Sienna. That's overkill. Where's my fender cover falling? Stay there. Let's see, how's our brake fluid? It's looking good. It's at level. Alright. Let's get to that belt noise. Let's move this over. It's not acting right today. Let's set this up right there. Damn it, right there. Let's keep an eye on that AC clutch.
Contact.
Got a little chirpy chirp right there. Now let's see what happens when I turn the air conditioner on. Alright, we got an AC compressor starting to seize up. Belt deflection is good. And yeah, it's at the correct tension, that belt, but now it's not looking good. Oh, hey, I fixed it. Good, now I can send it out. Alright, since we went ahead and confirmed that noise right there, we're going to look around a little bit. It is a 2004, and you know what I don't see? That usually goes right here. I don't see a timing belt service sticker. Sometimes techs will put it here, sometimes they'll put it here. Even on the hood sometimes, like it might be up here, but in this case it's not. I'm gonna have to take a look at the water pump down below to see if we got a leak or not. But if that sticker's not there, and there's no history for timing belt service. Oh, look at this. I just noticed this. It looks like somebody has been here before. Because this is supposed to be like that. Installed where it should be. I might find some things when we take it up top. You guys know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So now that we have taken it up top, I could show you, and I could tell you this much. I performed an oil change. I still got a brake clean right there. I'm still going to do a little brake cleaning right there. Let's look around a little bit. Front brakes are looking roughly 8 to 9 millimeter. Front suspension is actually looking good. The axle is looking good. The subframe is looking phenomenal. What the hell's going on here? Where am I? Where's the flavor? Where's the rust? Where's the beef? Go back further? Alright, yeah, because you know the further we go back, the further we go into flavor country. But I took this panel off here just to look at in here, and I don't know if you guys could see it, but, oh, you might be. A little orange crust all the way up in there. And that's the telltale signs of a water pump leak. It's starting to come out the weep hole. Well, no, it's not coming out the weep hole. The weep hole is actually right there. It's coming out one of the gaskets. Up there. Oh yeah, you can see it in the shot. Alright, yeah, that little orange crusties that is like right there, that's dried coolant that coagulates. So I know there's a coolant leak, or at least there was. Steering rack is looking in very good condition. We got a little minor self-lubricating right there, but it's, I can't believe the condition of this car, at least the front end. Bro, even the freaking rear valve cover is dry. What? That's original fibbage right there. The oil pan's not leaking. The valve covers are not leaking. Oh, we got a little bit of sweat from the trans pan, but that's nothing. Look at the hardware. The hardware still identifies as hardware. Something's not right. Something's gonna go wrong. Let's go a little further back. All right, they've had the recall done, so that's new, or newish. Yo, even the rear dead axle is in phenomenal condition. It's still painted. Got a little bit of sweat coming from the rear shock. That's not that bad. It's leaking. I'll caution the suspension. I won't red it. I'll caution it. Oh, this one's a little worse. You know, I'll probably recommend the shocks actually. Passenger side is a little worse. You always recommend suspension work in pairs, especially when it's shocks or springs. I can't believe the condition of this car. Even this, yo, everything's original. Well, the worst thing on this car is the freaking one thing that's aftermarket, and that's the that's the trailer hitch. There's flavor on that, but there's no flavor on the car. What's the plate on this? Oh, they're from Florida. That's why. Even look at the e-brake. It's in. I don't mean to make a big deal about cars in good condition, but I don't see them as much, so I just have to. Oh my god. Tires are in great condition. Brakes are in great condition. Well, the rear tires are a little worse than the front, but still, they're in good condition. Our sight glass, or sight window right there for the drums, we're going to take that out, take a look. I cannot believe, though, the condition of this vehicle. And it's a 2004 with almost 200,000 miles. They maintain their car. This is what a Southern maintained properly vehicle looks like. Yeah, speechless. So we're going to recommend this AC compressor. Of course, we're going to recommend the belt. And since the water pump is behind the timing belt and it's timing belt driven, and there's no service history of the timing belt, they do have history here, but they don't have any timing belt history. So we're going to recommend a timing belt and a water pump along with the drive belts and this AC compressor. Because if it's original and it's from 2004, yeah, I don't want to risk just replacing the clutch. I want to replace the whole thing. Very good. Oh, you got the harness out? Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, if you don't know what to do, please comment about this car, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.